Welcome. In this episode, we will be building part 1-39G water tank manhole cover. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we will be building part 1-39G water tank manhole cover. So instead of opening a new one up, let's open up a previous one. G. Remember, several episodes back, we actually created this using one of the other pieces, so this made life a lot easier. So we want to add a hand. Pretty much all we're doing is add a handle to this. So we go to front plane, normal 2, thank you. Sketch. Now we want to go, the handle is going to be, again, you can make this part separate and assemble it, but I'm just going to do it on here. So let's see, there, across there, up there. Oh, dang it. There we go. That's fine. Yeah, that, just make that horizontal. There we go. Now, just make sure those two are there. Beautiful. Now, we want, actually, you know what? Hold. Save a bit of time. Let me just delete that one. Put that one there. Oh, those two should have lined up. There we go. This will eventually join there. I'm just keeping above so I can see. Now, let me pull out these dimensions first. So this is going to be 2 mil. Yep, 2 mil thick. No. Thank you. 2 mil. Those 2 points are going to be, oh, missed. Okay. These two. Oh, yeah, they. Yep, I went too far. These two. Going to be 2 mil. Beautiful. I didn't get too far. It's going to be 2 mil. Excellent. Okay, so now from this line here to that point there is going to be 31. From this line to this line will be 2 as well. 31. So from this here to that point, that point, thank you, is going to be 142 divided by 2. Okay, so that should be all the measurements for now, but we want to do a curve there and a curve there. Okay, before we go any further, let me just do these up. Oh, right one. We want that horizontal, not vertical. At least now you can go around that way. And these two. There we go. Now, before I lock that in, let me just do this. Going to be 5 mil, I believe that one is. Yep, raise of 5 mil. And this one's going to be 3. Yes, it is. 3 mil. There we go. So this point and this line will join up. This point and this line will join up. This point and this line will join up, and join up. Now, we're going further. This one trim. Those two. And those two. We still got to curve these two. Actually, you know what? Why am I doing that? Delete that. Delete that. We do fillet. That's going to be so much easier. We'll do fillet. Okay, so this point and this point will be horizontal. There we go. Now, if we lock this point with this line, that should actually, why is that still? Oh, we haven't got height there, 25. Okay, we missed a mention. 25. There we go. Everything's locked in. Beautiful. Okay, so now we shall go mirror. We shall grab all the entities. And we shall mirror to the right side. And okay, that should close in. There we go. Beautiful. And that's in the middle, which is what we want. Now we want to go feature, extrude. That's going to be 20 mil, but it's going to be mid plane. We want middle. Okay. There we go. Now, save that. We want fillet. Still saving. Fillet. That's going to be 3 mil. It's going to be that line. That line. That line. And this line. And okay. Oh. Yeah. That should have filled around there. Because that's joined to that one. Yeah. Yeah, it actually looks quite nice. Yeah, so if you did a separate piece, that would be better off doing that one in the diagram. So let's take that. Let's unhighlight that one. And unhighlight that one. And okay. So let's now do another fillet, but it's going to be 5 mil. That piece. Oh, can't see, thank you. That piece. Oh, sorry, a bit too much. Not piece, that line, sorry. The face, yeah, the edge. I want to make sure it's going the right thing. There we go. And that's looking good. Let me save. Now let me go back to this one. Yeah, grumbling in the background. We got a storm coming in. It's not my stomach. Okay, so we want to go. Actually, before we do, get out of that one. Get scope doesn't get out of there. Really? Thought it did. Let me just. Nope. What the heck? Normal 2. Thank you. Is that hard? Okay, let me edit that one. Now we want to put. Oh, seriously, I just. I don't believe I did that. Okay, let's try that again. Edit that one. Let's now go to that one. Beautiful. If you've done this in mirror, we've done the other side. That's fine. Doesn't take much to do. That was 3 mil. So those two will go there, and these. Nope. I try to click on one that's already highlighted. It does not unhighlight, so unhighlight anything. Okay, that's going to be there, and that one's going to be there, and trim those two. Okay, why'd that break? Why is that not highlighted now? Interesting. Can't move anything. So why's that one? Oh, come on, trim, thank you. Is there a piece there I don't see? Nope. Oh, seriously? Okay, let me try something. Ah, trim. There we go. Let me try something. Let me go there. What the heck? I didn't want full circle. I clicked the wrong one. Okay, let me go out there. Go there. Let me do those two join together. And these two join together. That point and that point will be there. Why is that doing that? That's strange. Oh, hold on, what the heck? Oh, hold on. Ah, because I'm mirroring. Oh. Ah, because it's not mirroring this piece. Let's mirror and see what happens. Okay. Trim. Ah, there we go. The mirror was... I had to mirror it, then trim. Ah, okay. That worked. Live and learn. There we go. Then we got that piece on there. Beautiful. That should be that piece done. Yes, it is. That's that piece done. But yeah, just make it less painful. Let's go to fillet. 0.5. Take these sharp edges off. And okay. There we go. Just take those sharp edges off. There we go. So that is part 139G, water tank manhole cover done. Let me just put that nice little shot. There we go. So if you enjoyed the video, click that like button. If you want to see more, please subscribe. If you've got any suggestions, comments, whatnot, leave them below. I do appreciate it. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.